जय गुरु जी, जय गुरु जी। गुरु जी महाराज, इस सेवा के मौके के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्राना। जय गुरु जी संगत जी, शुक्राना मल्टीलिंगुअल प्लेटफॉर्म। मुझसे ये व्याख्या करते हुए जो गलती अगर हो जाए तो मुझे माफ करना। बहुता कर्म लिखिया ना जाए, वड्डा दाता तिल ना तमाए। केते मंगे जो तपार, केतिया गंत नहीं विचार। केते खपटोटे वेकार, केते ले ले मुकर पा। केते मूर्ख खाई खाए, केतिया तू भूख सब मार। ए भी दात तेरी दातार, बंद खलासी पाने होए हो। राख न सके कोई, जे को खाए को अखन पाए। ओ जाने जेतिया मोई खाए, अपे जाने अपे दे। आखे से भी कई के, जिसनु बख्शे सिर्फ सलाह। नानक पातशाही पातशाह। दया और शुक्राना ये बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग्स हैं। मालिक जैसा, उस परमात्मा जैसा कोई दयालु है ही नहीं। No one can give like him. He gives unconditionally and without expecting anything in return. That is why the one who is truly connected to him also becomes dayalu himself. This is how we recognize a dharmi person. जो धर्मी आदमी होगा, he will always have lots of दया in his heart. बहुता कर्म लिखिया ना जाए. Here कर्म means रहमत बख्शिश. रहमत उसकी बख्शिश इतनी ज्यादा है that it cannot be written. वो पकड़ में ही नहीं आ सकती. वड्डा दाता तिल ना तमाए. He gives so much and he never reminds you of what he has given. When we humans give, we keep an account in our mind of what we gave, and we keep reminding the recipient of what that we have given them. We expect something in return. So this is more like trading or a business. This is not done. We get our names written on walls so that when we make a donation, so that we are remembered. There is a legend of the Sufi saint from Iran, Jalal Hafiz. He said, God, if I live for 100 years, I will purposely go on sinning. So that everyone, and he said this, and everybody was so surprised. What is this saint speaking? Why is he speaking such words? He further said, I will purposely keep sinning and I will keep committing sins so that I can test you. He said, I want to test if my sins are more or your rahmat is more. And then he said, God, there is no comparison. मैं इतने भी sins करता जाऊं, आपकी रहमत उससे बहुत बहुत ज्यादा है. He is so forgiving and so giving. God knows all our sins, and yet, after knowing all our shortcomings, He continues to give us unconditionally. Once a 60-year-old thief went begging to the house of a saint for food. The saint turned him away, saying that you are a thief. Later that evening, the saint was sitting in meditation and he was having a problem connecting with God. Then he asked God, why is this happening? What mistake have I made? What wrong have I done? God said, I have been feeding this man for 60 years and you could not feed him one meal? This shows that you still don't have daya in your heart. Those who have daya are not close to me. So, and now there's another story. Once a man said, I have left all my riches and I have become a sannyasi. And he would repeat this so often. And he kept repeating this again and again. So someone said, no, you have not left your riches. Your riches are still clinging to your robes. This is not leaving. वड्डा दाता तिल ना तमाए. तिल जितनी भी मांग नहीं रखे, वो है मालिक. वो जो भी आपको हम सबको देते जा रहे हैं, दे के वो हमसे इन रिटर्न तो कुछ ही नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करते. तिल इज द साइज ऑफ अ मस्टर्ड सीड, so small, but he does not expect anything in return. Kete mange jo dapar. So many ask for victory in war, they ask for strength. Kete gant nai vichar. Endless people ask for endless blessings. Kete khap tute vekar. Some asked for worldly things, enjoyed all these gifts, became consumers, became arrogant, and they wasted their lifetime and their life, their time, and they died. They just wasted their life in consumption without thinking of being in gratitude. Kete lele mukarpa. Some live a life of ingratitude, enjoying all his gifts but never do any shukrana. Someone made a profit. For example, someone made a profit of 6 lakhs, but he was very sad and upset, and he told his friend, he was crying, and he said, I've made a loss of 4 lakhs. His friend was also sympathizing with him. Then his wife, who was sitting nearby, said that he has made a profit of 6 lakhs. He was expecting to make a profit of 10 lakhs, so he is complaining. He is not being in gratitude for the 6 lakhs that he has earned. He is crying for the 4 lakhs which he thought he would also earn. Those who are thankless are a burden on Mother Earth. The earth does not feel the weight. The earth does not feel the weight of the oceans and the heavy mountains. She doesn't even feel the weight of all the beings on this earth, the houses that we make. But she screams in pain, she cries in pain when there is even one thankless person जो ना शुक्रे होते हैं, उनका दर्द माँ धरती को बहुत होता है. A person who is always complaining is a burden not only on society or his family, he is even a burden on himself, because such a person is complaining so much that ultimately he falls sick. कितने मूर्ख खाई खाए, some keep using and consuming and never remember the giver. कितने दुख भूख सदमार, ए भी दात तेरी दातार. यहाँ पर दुख और भूख को blessings बताई गई हैं. They become blessings. How? When a person is going through dukh, bhuk, this means that person is being awakened. He's awakened from his comfort zone. It is like a bomb has lot of potential to burst, but it needs to be thrown hard on the ground to explode. इसी तरीके दुख और भूख, they lead the people to God. Otherwise, they may have never remembered God. सुख सलाह हाँ, दुख से हम दाते की याद करते हैं और हम जाग जाते हैं. कबीर जी thanked his dukhs. Some of the best people turned into poets and artists because of being in dukh. So बंद खलासी पाने हुए, उसकी रजा में रह के बंधन टूट जाते हैं. बंद खलासी पाने हुए और आंख ना सके कोई. There is no way to moksha. Only this is the way. जे को खाए को अखन पाए, जो मूर्ख खाए के इस जे को खाए के इस जो मूर्ख सोचे कि there is any other way to God and to moksha, they will वो जाने जेतिया मोए खाए. They will come to know that there is no other way only when they are hit hard on their face. मोह खाए. आपे जाने आपे दे. He is the giver and he is giving, and he is giving as per the patrata of the people. आंखें से भी कई के जिसनु बख्शे सिख सलाह. Those who receive the grace of speaking about him, his grace and his glory, जिनके ऊपर ये बख्शिश होती है कि वो उस मालिक की का सत्संग कर सके, उनकी बख्शिशों की, उनकी रहमतों की का बखान कर सके, वो सबसे ज्यादा ब्लेस्ड लोग होते हैं. ये हमने देखा है कि सत्संग जो करते हैं उनका कितना भला होता है, जो सुनते हैं उनका भी कितना भला होता है. उनकी सिर्फ सलाह में बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स हैं. नानक पातशाही पातशाह. Says Nanak, such a person is a true king. He is the king of kings. जो उनका बखान करते हैं, जो उनकी सिर्फ सलाह करते हैं। विद दिस वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस बॉडी। शुक्राना। जय गुरु जी, जय गुरु जी।